No bad energy can clog my mind. Not today, don't have the time. Too many bad days, let's celebrate life. We don't live twice. Everybody get on your feet. Move your body, let the beat control you. Raise your hands like your soul is free. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
So you guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this hairstyle. If you didn't see the maintenance vlog before this video, go watch that because I was talking about me doing my hair and how whatever. Yeah, so go watch that. But this is the video to show you guys how I did the style. I got the inspiration for the style because I wanted to have some more creativity. I wanted to go back to actually doing my hair and styling my hair. And I was thinking about, what about if I do like a throwback style, you know? So yeah, since throwback styles are on the rise, whatever, right now, I didn't want to do like the side thing that everybody was doing. So I did this instead. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so you guys can see me putting the wig on the what do you call that thing? The foam wig head. But I had to sew. Well, I didn't have to. I just decided to. I decided to sew a black track on top of the wig so it can blend it with my hair more seamlessly, because my hair is obviously not the burgundy red color of the wig. So in order for me to make it match with my hair color, I have to add a black track on top of it to make it seem like, you know, like red in the back, black in the front, business in the back. You know what I'm saying? No. Was it business in the back or party? Party in the back, business in the front. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm trying to say. It's hot right now. I had to come outside to do this voiceover. And yeah, when I tell you this Florida heat is no joke. This Florida heat is no joke. Whew. I don't see how these dogs be doing it. These outside dogs and cats. Jeez. As you know, I just told you guys I sewed the black triangle on here. Now I have to sew the clips on the wig. I'm trying to be careful when I do this because the holes are too small for the needle to go through, and I had to feed thread into the clip and use the threading to sew onto the wig. Okay, so the big braid that's around in the back, that's the perimeter braid that I'm going to sew the net on. Do not judge the braids in the middle, because I did one side and I was like, okay, I'm going to braid it a little bit. Then the other side, I just did one big ass braid. And yeah, so don't judge me. But I did redo this, and I'm going to show you what I mean. The net was too tight. So I took that off, and I did two perimeter braids. One at by the nape of my neck, and one that's going around, because it was tugging on my hair and I don't like that feeling. And I forgot that I have to put a braid on the nape of my neck, because like I said, I don't like that tuggy feeling with the just one braid around my head, doing my perimeter braid. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, just sewing it on there. And then you're going to see a clip of where the net is off my head, and that's where my braids look like now. And yeah, then I'm going to show you me sewing the net together. You guys going to get the point. I'm just showing you what I did, how I did every step. Okay, so you see the braid at the bottom of my neck? That's what I was talking about. I had to do that. This is the net that was on my head right here, this square part. And I'm sewing it onto here, just showing what it looks like. And I'm going to use the whole net instead of this square piece because it was tugging on my hair. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. Okay, boom. Now we're here. As you see, my hair is already parted. I hot combed it so my braids could be smoother and flatter. Shout out to Jackie for parting my hair, because if I would have did it myself, it would have took me 2 years. Thank ya. So you see in the back where I put the net on. You see where I sewed the net together. Do 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 do. Now I have more room to think, breathe, turn my head, and scratch. So I'm braiding the first braid. Nothing simple. You can see me braid the second braid. You can see me braid the third braid. You can see me braid the fourth braid. The braid in the front, though, I did use yarn because it wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be. And I ended up adding yarn at the bottom, but you're gonna see that. Just hold your horses to get to that. Just wait. Just wait.
Everything you say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it, girl. You're everything I need. Said you're everything I need.
Okay, so now we're here. So this is the part I was talking about where I used the yarn to braid all the way down to make the braids longer. Yeah, so I'm looking like the little girl off of Polar Express right now. But yeah, it's gonna work out. Just be patient. Shout out to Honey Bear for being my human mannequin, letting me use the wig on his head to straighten it because that mannequin head was giving me a headache. Shout out to him. You know, he's always a good supporter, and I just love him a lot. Thank you.
Even need my help. She said she got no shot. Something about her. Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything less, she telling them to get off. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got a rolling, that's why I love her. Lives independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got a rolling, that's why I love her. Lives independent, ooh, the way you shine. Lives independent, her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. Yeah,
So I was gonna put a braid over the wig part, but you know what? I'm not. I'm just gonna push the wig under the braid to make it seamless. See, when I did that, you barely could tell, and if you could see it, you're a hater. You're a hater. So as you can see, I put the rubber bands on the braid, and that's where I'm going to bend it, and I'm going to do like this little barrel little style. I did the back two off of camera just so I could get out the way, but this is how I did the barrels on the front two braids. This pretty much wrap up today's video. Thank you for watching. To get exclusive content about being behind the scenes, check the description box down below to stay updated on my other platforms. I love and I appreciate everybody who's watching. I love and appreciate everyone who's streaming. Hugs, loves, and kisses. Talk to you later.